What's good, guys? It's your man James here, and today I'm going to show you a brand new method with affiliate marketing. We're going to take a look at a really good offer, and I'm going to show you an amazing method that you can make money with this offer. So if I Google here, management job salaries, okay? And you may be thinking like this is a boring niche, it's not an interesting niche. Well, wait until you take a look at this, the highest paying management jobs. You have these jobs, and it doesn't really matter which job. You have the chief exec, 185,000, 186,000. You have computer and information systems manager, 151,000. Marketing manager, 141,000. Architectural and engineering manager, 150 grand. Financial manager, 134,000. On and on, right? So these jobs, they pay a lot of money, and there are a lot of people that either want to get into this position of management or they want to get higher on the corporate ladder. This is huge, and you probably don't need me to tell you this. This is a big thing. And so if you go into Google or Bing, whatever you want, and you Google for LinkedIn Learning, you're going to see this result right here, LinkedIn Learning. And by the way, this offer, this affiliate marketing stuff we're talking about today, it's not with CLICKBANK, it's not MAXBOUNTY, you don't need MAXBOUNTY, you don't need CLICKBANK, you don't need anything. We're working directly with the merchant. And so if you do this, you're going to have this first result here. You're going to click on this link, and you're going to be on this page here. Grow your skills and advance your career with LinkedIn Learning. Okay, you can start your free month, and you can do a lot of interesting things. Now, if you scroll down, you have digital marketing, social media marketing, marketing communication, sales, market research, product marketing. There's a lot of things. And this product, LinkedIn Learning, it's from LinkedIn. So, everybody knows about it, right? Everybody knows of LinkedIn. It's like Facebook, but for professional use. So you don't really need to convince people as much in order to sell this product because everybody kind of knows about LinkedIn. And you can scroll down. This is kind of what they have. Learn digital marketing, a top skill for people in your role. You have all of these live office hours with experts, right? Learn social media marketing. So this is an amazing product if you find the right audience that wants to get into management, that wants to get, social media, tech, engineering, architecture, etc., right? Popular on LinkedIn Learning, create a brand strategy, organizational communication, professional networking, branding strategy, define your creative edge. There's so many things that they can do, right? And we have new releases, most liked on LinkedIn Learning, right? So anything having to do with professional, moving ahead in the professional world, you can do it. Now, if you scroll down, you have all these menus. Say you can become an instructor, you can do all this. But let's say you want to promote it as an affiliate. Well, you can't find the affiliate marketing program, right? So I just searched this page for the word affiliate, and there's no results, right? There's no results here. But what you guys got to do is you have to search. You have to go back to Bing, back to Google, and you have to type LinkedIn Learning Affiliate Program, okay? And there it says, joining the LinkedIn Learning Affiliate Program. So we're going to open that up. And it says the LinkedIn Learning Affiliate Program is now available through Impact Radius. Applying to join the affiliates program is quick and easy, and you can get started right away. So we are on this page on LinkedIn.com. We're gonna go click on this link here, and we're gonna be on this page. This is account information. The technology is provided by Impact. So this is another service that provides affiliate marketing programs, right? So you just have to fill this out, and you are going to be inside the affiliate marketing program. You can promote this to a lot of professionals, right? And when I say professionals, what you have to be thinking about is professional people. They have money to spend. They want to make money. They want to go up the notch. They want to move ahead in their corporate world. Professionals are a lot better than just consumers who are, they don't really care about making money. All right, so now that you understand how to get this, and once you fill all this out, you're going to have your affiliate links, you're going to have all this stuff. It's very easy. It's a lot easier than getting accepted into ClickBank and getting accepted into MaxBounty and then getting accepted into ShareSell. This is very easy because you're going directly to the merchant, all right? So before I tell you how we're going to promote this, I want to talk about a very important aspect of promoting this thing, right? And that is, you cannot promote this directly. It's just not going to convert. And who knows, you might get kicked out of the program if you promote it directly. Nobody likes when people paste their affiliate links all over the internet. You guys got to create some kind of engagement. You have to talk to your audience. And for that, we're going to have a really good product. And for that, you have to go into riddle.com. So this is an online quiz maker. Create a quiz, collect leads, engage your audience. You see that? They even tell you that, engage your audience. And it says, excite your users with 15 quiz, personality tests, and poll formats. Create a quiz, then qualify and segment leads based on quiz responses. Easy, no coding required, okay? So we're gonna create our free account. I already have my free account. I'm already logged in. And once I'm logged in, this is what I see here. And this is an amazing tool, riddle.com, because you can create so many interesting things. Look at this. You can create a personality test. You can create a score, challenge your audience, ask questions with right, wrong answers. Like, how much do you know about this? And they can have an answer. They can see how well they scored. You can have responses, right? So not a quiz, but simply responses. Get your users' opinion and feedback with polls or surveys. What's your favorite, etc. Journey. Use branching logic to ask the perfect follow-up questions for each user based on their individual answers. Very powerful. Story. Don't want to ask questions. Tell your story through these content types. Top 10 best city breaks. This is an amazing. I might actually have another method based on this with another offer that's going to work amazingly. And last but not least, we have a form, right? You guys should all be familiar with the form, but it's also very powerful. Now, for this specific method, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing a personality test, okay? And so if I clicked on this, I have a lot of options, right? Even a couple of options in another language. So we have German, we have Spanish, and we have French here. But what we're going to do, guys, if we go through this, we have a quiz called What's Your Management Style? So we're going to click on this. We're going to open it up and we're going to say add to your account. And once I click that, I have this quiz. I have the template that I can work with, right? This is what it looks like, right? These are the questions. So I can go in here and this is what the actual module looks like. So if I go in here, personality, look at this one. There's the personality. I can change the colors, I can change the background, I can do all these things. I can edit the image, right? I can click edit and I can edit an image. I can change the image, I can resize, I can add filters, right? I can do something like this, okay? Probably not a good idea in this case, but I can modify all of this. And the way this works is that all of this, you have this personality kind of modules here, right? And you can add a new module by clicking this, and I'm gonna delete it right here. And then you have various questions, various questions. Question 1, question 2, and believe me, people that are into management, that are trying to move up their corporate ladder, so to speak, they're gonna love this because this is all they are thinking about, right? And so we have 3 personality kind of things, which is kind of what the answers are gonna be like. What's your management style? Collaborative, authoritarian, or mentoring, right? These are gonna be the kind of the answers. And here we have, 8 questions. That is kind of the setup here. Now, you can also collect emails here. You can click here. You can collect emails, get a free coaching session. You can customize it, right? So you can customize the settings. You can customize the colors, auto expand. You can do a lot of interesting things. Branding and footer, colors, text, language, social, personality test options. You can publish it. Once you're done, you can just hit publish. And it's published and you have a link. So now I can open this link and guess what? I can start my assessment. I can go, I have these 8 questions. All I'd have to do is just go through this. Take a look at this one. We're going to go through this really fast and it's super easy because I don't have to press enter or submit or anything like that. I'm just going to pick random stuff. And what do I have? Get a free coaching session. So I can say submit and continue. I can say no thanks. I am authoritarian. Now at first glance, you might think, etc. And now you have a call to action. You have a link to an article. You have a link somewhere else. We're also getting emails. And this is where the power is. Right now, you can share this any way you want. You have extras. You have share on social media, etc. But really, the power of this is actually in the call to action. So if I go into customize and I scroll down, I have something called call to action. And this is where I can add a call to action button on the result pages, right? Add a button on your result page, send people to a page of your choice. Buy now, save 25%, your buying URL. And here is where we can send them to a page of our choice. We can say, based on the results, based on the questions you answered, here is, 50% discount or whatever the discount they're running, or just directly send them to LinkedIn Learning. So we can do something like this, button text, learn more, become a better leader. How was that for call to action button text? And this is going to be our affiliate link. I'm just putting google.com, but this is going to be the affiliate link, right? Okay, I just entered google.com. We're going to open in a new tab. You can specify the roundness. You can specify anything that you want, whatever you want. You also have a timer, all of these. And now when I take this quiz, at the end of it, it's going to have a call to action based on what I specified here. Now, there's so many things you can do. You can go to title, you can modify it, and then you can also modify the actual pages. These are the result pages. Depending on how you answered, you can modify that as well. Now, right now, it redirects to a certain URL. So for instance, collaborative, it redirects to one URL, right? If you scroll down, why Scouts? Authoritarian redirects to Fast Company. Well, not redirects, it has a link, it has a button to Fast Company. Mentoring has a button to American Express. We can change all that. We can just delete it. We can just create one personality type and redirect it to a single URL. You can do as much as you want. And then, like I said, when you are done, you're going to go to publish and you're going to say published. And now you have the quiz. Now you can share it. Another thing that you can do is you can go to analyze and you can take a look how many views, how many stars, how many completions. You can go to breakdown, leads and CTA, how many views, submits and skips. You can take a look at the audience, where they are, desktop, operating system, etc., etc. And then once you're done, you're going to go to publish. You're going to go here. You're going to load this, copy the URL. And then you can go on forums, right? So we can go on Bing and we can say management. Welcome to management forum, right? Management forum, project management forums. Right? And you're going to find a lot of interesting things. Top 4 project management forums, discussion, etc. And you can say, hey guys, I created a quiz that tells you your management type based on how you answer these questions. You can do that. There's so many interesting things that you can do. And you can modify it as much as you want. And if you don't like this quiz, guys, you can go to your dashboard. You can go in here and you can create a new quiz. You can go back here and I can say create, and I can create, a story. I can create a new personality tab. What is your color? What is your dream house? And you can promote other offers, or you can create a customized for your specific offer. So the opportunities are limitless with this amazing tool, and people are going to be excited because nobody else goes that extra mile, that extra step to create these engagement little tactics that will boost your conversion rates. All right, guys. So that is the method I wanted to share with you guys today. It's a super underground method. Not really a lot of people use it. And I say, like, most people don't even know this tool exists, or tools such as this actually exist. So if you enjoyed this method, you want to see more underground method, definitely smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel because I'm going to be doing a giveaway to subscribers only real soon. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.